Once upon a time, there was a silly Lego dog named Bobo who loved to make everyone smile. Bobo was not an ordinary dog. He had colorful bricks that sparkled in the sunlight. He loved to play catch, and every time he caught the ball, he would do a funny jump and wag his brick tail. One sunny day, Bobo saw his friend Tim the toy boy and shouted, "Let's play catch!" Tim laughed and threw the ball high into the air, and Bobo zoomed after it with a big silly grin. After catching the ball, Bobo would pretend to be tired and flop down with a funny thud, making all the children giggle. Everyone loved Bobo because he was so funny and friendly, always ready to play and make others happy. When the game was over, Bobo plopped next to his friends and said, "That was so much fun, can we play again?" And all the children cheered, loving their silly, smiling Lego dog who made every day brighter.